Hello guys, so today I want to show you how to download and install Pycharm on your Ubuntu operating system. So without wasting any time, let's get right into the video. Yes guys, so after opening your terminal window, the next thing you have to do is to check the version of your Python. And you can simply do this by typing in the command python 3 -- version. And as you guys can see, I'm running a version 3.8.10. So right now what I want to do is I want to show you guys the edition we'll be installing. And as you guys can see, the community edition is completely free. You don't have to pay for anything. But also you can also check this in the terminal window by typing in snap find Pycharm and then hit enter. And this will give you all the editions available. And as you guys can see, we have the Pycharm-Community version. So now that we know the name of the edition we want to install, the next thing we will do is to enter the command sudo snap install Pycharm-community -- classic. And as you guys can see, we are just using the same name we found, Pycharm-community. And after that, you hit enter. So yeah, as you guys can see, our Pycharm community version is now downloading, and I'm going to leave all the commands we use in this video in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. So yeah, one thing I want to point out to you guys is that some of you might have problems installing the Pycharm because you don't have snap installed on your Ubuntu operating system yet. But don't worry, I'm going to leave a command on how to install the snap before you follow what we just did. So be sure to check the description box if you are having problems and copy the same command. I'll leave it in the description box below. Yeah. So now that the Pycharm community version is installed, the next thing we'll do is we can go back to our apps, and as you guys can see, there's our Pycharm. You can launch it from here, or you can simply search it as well and launch it. I mean, that's it. It's installed for free. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoy it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video.